Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Art. If you want to learn more drawing skills, please subscribe our channel, Kids Art, your first art class. In this tutorial, I will show you how to draw Sonic. First, we're gonna do the nose of him, which is based on the oval shape. Then, we're gonna do the mouth with the curved line. The main shape, which is based on the semi-oval. Then we're gonna do the smile mouth. His eyes by drawing a wave line that begins at the left face. The completely shape will look like an S on its side. His eyes is based on the oval shape. We left the highlight in the middle as the circle shape. Same as another side eyes. Start from the right side of the face. We're gonna do the head, which is based on the circle shape, and his ear, it's like a triangle shape. The spikes on the back of Sonic's head by drawing 3 triangles. And make the last one point down and nearly touching the bottom part of his cheek line. And his another ear is based on the triangle as well. Same as another side, we do a small triangle inside. Draw a smaller oval overlapping the bottom of the head. This is his tummy. The left arm, which is by draw 2 curved parallel lines. The hand, we're gonna start from a curved line. Then we're gonna draw the oval shape around the arm. The hand shape based on the oval shape by the curved lines. Then we finish the body, make it connect on the hand. Draw the legs extending downwards from the body, using 2 curved lines for each. Draw socks at the bottom of the legs. Begin by connecting the leg lines. Use a curved line. Then, use a series of 3 curved lines of various size to enclose the shape of the socks. The right side sock will be covered by the left one, so we only do the half of it. Extend a short, curved line downwards from the sock. Then, draw a long curved line from the another side of the sock to the short line. Draw 2 more curved lines across the shoe. Use 2 curved lines from the right shoe, meeting in a point. Draw 2 more curved lines across the shoe. Right side of the hand, we can see the 4 fingers based on the oval shape, which is like the cylinder. Then we're gonna draw the arm, connect the body. Well done, guys. Let's start coloring now. First color, we're gonna use the blue, coloring his body. From his spike. Take your time, slow down, cause his head area is quite big. Take your time. If you accidentally left some white gap, please fill it. There's one small tips. If you're afraid drawing outside of the shape, you can outline with the borderline first, then coloring in the middle. The next color, we're gonna use the dark blue, draw some shades on his body. After that, we're gonna use the skin color, coloring his ear. Also, his face part, it's the skin color. And his arm, it's the same skin color. The tummy, oval area, it's the skin color as well. If you don't have the skin color, you can use the light pink or the peach. We're gonna use the red, coloring his shoes. We draw the curved line on his left side of shoe first. Same as another shoe. Do a curved line first, coloring the bottom. Then, we're gonna use pink, coloring the wrist of the shoes part. Then, we're gonna use the gray. You can use your light gray or dark gray, coloring the shades of the hand and the sock. That make it look more 3D. The last color is the brown. We're gonna coloring the bottom of his eyes. Well done, guys! Thanks for your hard working. If you like to learn more drawing, please push the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.